You're working on Insomnia and you're working with tokens, access keys, and all that. So these access keys are backend generated, and you generate them through another API, and then you apply them on other APIs like the auth headers and all, like I'm showing you on the screen. So every time clicking on login and then you take the token and paste it here can be tedious. So I'm going to show you how you can always use the access token in your other APIs. So for example, I have a web server running on my local host port 8080. So I'm going to send let me log in my user. Yeah, so once I log in my user, I need to make other API calls using this access token, and copying and pasting this is really difficult or time consuming. So what you're going to do, the trick is here you come and send the request raw body, and then let's edit it. Now we check on the API we want to call and get the access token, and it is the login API. So login user, and when expired, we want it to expire after 80 seconds, and then now we are going to take a body attribute. Here you're going to have that $ dot access token, and you see the value of the access token is populated here. So whenever I want to make a request, provided my server is running, this value of the access token will always be valid, because it will always make a call to the backend server to retrieve it and place it here. So if this was useful for you, give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.